Hi guys, Kid Airsoft is here and welcome back to another gameplay video. Today's game is an attack and defend. The defending team must protect a dummy inside their base for about 40 minutes. The defenders have limited lives, so they must work well together to suppress the attackers. Our job is to break into the base and steal the dummy, as we are the attackers. We have unlimited lives and can use any way to break into the base. That's pretty much it for the details. Enough talking, let's get into the gameplay. I decided to pick up this corrugated sheet of iron because it can be very good cover and it's mobile. As you can tell, for my size, it's extremely heavy.
Spotted me. It's Kieran.
After a very long time, I managed to drag the shield to the front pathway of the enemy's base. Now all we have to do is find a way to get in.
Hey guys, if one of you is willing to advance directly behind me, I'll put my gun down, just leave it. Hide behind me, okay, and I'll advance. Got a white flag. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Stand behind me. Yeah, we're gonna advance. We're under fire. Just duck. Okay.
I would like to apologise in advance for the next part of this video, as the person who is behind me taking cover behind a shield is slightly annoying.
Well done. You're a great aimer. You can't reach him from here.
We are now in range of most AEGs and soon will start experiencing very heavy fire from enemies at the top of the base.
Return fire. That's blind fire.
I can see that end at Marlborough.
No, you need to see down there. You need to see where the BB's going.
See where it would go. Right, that.
Now we need to start our slow and tedious advance to get closer and closer to the enemy base.
Shit. Falling over.
Unfortunately, I will be muting the video a lot to cut out my friends saying stupid things.
Need some help!
I decide to stay in this position for a few minutes so Sam can respawn and I can let the enemy continuously take shots at me wasting their ammo. Slowly we advance forward, occasionally getting pinned down by multiple enemies, but then pushing out of it.
We're gonna have to get. Come on, Dan. Butt munchers!
Oh my god! Good hit!
After Sam getting hit multiple times, we decide that next time he respawns, he should grab my gun as well, so then we have double the firepower.
That's a raid shot, that, isn't it?
During our advance, we managed to weaken down the enemy's defences.
No.
Now I feel is a great time to
ready,
attack
Sam?
and get into the base.
Are you sure you're ready, Sam?
What for?
I decide to leave my position and run straight through the middle to help protect the guy who's getting the dummy.
Huh? Sam. Ow, my face!
I respawn as quickly as I can and run up to find that our teammate has now got the dummy. Now I need to quickly run and grab my gun and then dig into a defensive position to stop any enemies from coming out of the base while we get the dummy back to our spawn.
Let's go!
Oh, I should be able to stop and back here.
I was using a riot shield. Get ready.
That's just about going to wrap up our video. If you enjoyed it, remember to share it to your friends, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.